The US Secretary of State Marco Rubio is in India and he's making global headlines from here. While speaking to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the US Secretary of State said that the US will not let Iran hold the global energy market hostage. Speaking to the press early on Monday, Secretary Rubio further said that while India has raised with the US the issue of terror elements emerging out of the Pakistani territory, India has not yet raised any issue with the Pakistani nation playing as a mediator between Iran and US, adding that he does not feel that that's an issue that the Indian government wants to raise with the US. He further said that India's issues with the Pakistani state were different. Secretary Rubio further made strong comments about Iran's activity in the Strait of Hormuz and its blockade by the Iranian nation, and said that what Iran was doing at the moment was using an international waterway and now threatening to destroy commercial vessels. He further said that the same cannot be allowed as it would set a dangerous precedent, as there are other actors in this region and other places where the same can be replicated. He further said that the US President Donald Trump hence has a diplomatic way in his mind to come out with a solution. Significantly, Secretary Rubio said that the US President Donald Trump is not in any hurry. Secretary Rubio was asked by a journalist about the deal that is being discussed between the US and Iran in the backdrop of the US President stating that he's very close to brokering a deal with Iran. Secretary Rubio's strong statements against Iran had, in fact, attracted a very strong rebuttal from the Iranian embassy in India. Speaking on the comments of Secretary Rubio, the Iranian embassy said that Secretary Rubio's comments are rejected by Iran and alleged that it was in fact the policies of the US and Israel that were leading to destability in the region. Iran said that Secretary Rubio's comments about Iran and the Strait of Hormuz were in fact an attempt to deflect attention from the destabilizing policies of the US and Israel in the region, and also a measure to distort the realities of the region. Iran further said that it has always been ready to provide its resources to other nations, including India, and it is not Iran that is holding the global energy market as hostage, but in fact the unlawful and unjustified sanctions imposed by the US against Iran that are holding the global energy market as hostage. Iran further said that what is disrupting movement and safe passage of vessels from the Strait of Hormuz is in fact the adventurous and the military and provocative actions of the US and Israel that it termed as a Zionist regime in the region. In this backdrop, it remains to be seen where the talks between the US and Iran are headed and how soon the two countries can arrive at a common framework to end the Middle East conflict that has kept the Brent crude oil prices high and has sent shockwaves to the global energy market. We'll keep tracking Secretary Rubio's significant visit to India. This is me, Shikha Salaria from New Delhi, reporting for India.